This is a student login. Students can ask questions in general Q&A that may include about daily tasks or general queries about an event that is going to happen or any other information that they need. Management person can either answer the question or forward it to the relevant teaching staff or any other management person as required. Management person can also reject the question in case it is a repetition of any earlier question or if it is an irrelevant question. In such a case, they have to provide the reason for rejection, which will be shown back to the student along with the status. You can click on Ask Question to ask a question. And then you can click on Submit. All questions that are answered will be available in general Q&A. You can click on My Questions to know the status of the question you have submitted. Orange color indicates it is a pending question, green color indicates it is an answered question, and red color indicates that it is a rejected question. This is login with the management role. You can click on question and answers and then general Q&A, which will show all the available questions which has been already answered. If you click on pending questions, it will show all the questions that are not answered. So you have the question available here now, which has been submitted by the student. You can then click on answer in order to answer the question. And then you can click on submit in order to submit the answer for the question. If you go to general Q&A, this question will be available. In case you want to update the question, you can click on the edit option and then click on updated, provide updated and then click on submit. Now another student has submitted a similar question which is already answered. So I will reject this question. So you can select on the question and then click on reject. Here you have to provide the reason for rejection and you have to also type reject just to make sure that it is not done by mistake, and then you can click on submit. Now you have no questions available here. You can go to general Q&A. So because the question is rejected, the question is not available in general Q&A. Now I'm logging in as the student who submitted the last question, which actually got rejected. So we can see from the student's view what will be the status of this question. So it is anyways not available in general Q&A because it is not answered and it is already rejected. Now I can go to my questions where it actually shows in red the rejected question. So here I can see that my question has been rejected. And I can also get the reason for rejection, saying that this question is already answered. Now, a student has posted another question which the management user is not aware of. So this has to be assigned to the respective teacher. So the management user can actually select the question and then click on assign to others and then assign to whichever teacher should be answering it. So you have to just confirm saying whether yes, that you have to assign it to others. You can then click on submit. Now you can see that this question gets logged and the person whom it is assigned to is teacher 1. So now I will log in as teacher 1. And then go to question and answers and then go to pending questions. So this question is now assigned to me and then I can actually answer this. I can click on submit. Now if you go to general question and answer, this question will be answered.